Managing money can feel stressful, especially when bills, savings, and expenses pile up. But what if I told you that your phone can actually help you take control of your finances, for free? In this video, we'll explore 3 amazing free apps that make budgeting, saving, and tracking expenses easier than ever. Let's get started. First up, we have Mint, a classic, and for good reason. Mint connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and bills, giving you a complete picture of your financial life in one place. You can set budgets, track spending in real time, and even get alerts when you're overspending. One of the coolest features is the automatic categorization. Mint knows whether your payment is for groceries, gas, or Netflix. And yes, it's totally free, supported by ads, but still one of the most powerful tools out there for beginners. Next is PocketGuard, perfect for anyone who struggles with overspending. This app calculates how much money you can safely spend after accounting for bills, savings, and recurring subscriptions. So instead of guessing whether you can afford that extra coffee, PocketGuard shows you exactly what's in your pocket. You can even set financial goals, like paying off debt or saving for a trip, and the app helps you stay on track. It's clean, visual, and great for people who want simplicity without spreadsheets. And finally, there's Goodbudget, a modern take on the old-school envelope system. You create virtual envelopes for things like groceries, rent, entertainment, and savings. When you spend money, you take it from the right envelope, so you can literally see where your money goes. Goodbudget doesn't connect to your bank account, which means it's super secure and also perfect for couples or families managing shared budgets. It's simple, visual, and helps you stay disciplined. So, whether you want full automation with Mint, smart spending control with PocketGuard, or hands-on budgeting with Goodbudget, these 3 free apps can completely change how you manage money. Start small, track your expenses, set your goals, and watch your financial stress fade away. Because when you organize your money, you organize your life. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.